Hello photographers! Are you looking for a compact camera that can capture stunning images and is easy to carry around? Look no further. In this video, we will be counting down the top 7 best compact cameras that you should consider in 2023. From budget-friendly options to high-end cameras with advanced features, we have got you covered. Whether you are a travel blogger or a professional photographer, these cameras are sure to meet your needs. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of compact cameras. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for discounted offers. Let's start. Number 7. Fujifilm X100V. It is a top-of-the-line digital camera that offers advanced features and a premium build quality. It has a 26.1 megapixel sensor that produces high-quality images with excellent detail and dynamic range. The camera also features a fast and accurate autofocus system with a hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection autofocus. Face and eye detection make it particularly useful for portrait photography. The lens produces sharp, detailed images with a pleasing bokeh effect when shooting at wider apertures, while the fixed lens means that the camera may not be suitable for all types of photography. It does offer a versatile focal length that is equivalent to a 35mm lens on a full-frame camera. In addition to its advanced features, it also has a premium build quality with a magnesium alloy body and weather-resistant seals that make it durable and suitable for use in various weather conditions. The camera can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and Full HD video at up to 120 frames per second, making it a versatile tool for videographers as well as photographers. Number 6. Sony ZV-E10. It is a mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers and content creators who need a camera that can capture high-quality video and audio in a compact and portable form factor. The camera features a 24.2 megapixel sensor and a flip-out touchscreen display that makes it easy to shoot selfies and vlogs. It also includes a variety of features that are specifically designed for vlogging, including the directional 3-capsule microphone, which captures clear audio while minimizing background noise. The camera also includes a dedicated bokeh switch button that instantly switches the camera to a shallow depth of field mode, allowing vloggers to blur the background and focus on themselves. The E10 also includes advanced autofocus features, including real-time IAF and real-time tracking, which ensures that the camera stays focused on the subject's eyes or face as they move around the frame. The camera is also capable of shooting at up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, making it ideal for creating high-quality video content. Number 5. Nikon Z30. Number 5. Nikon Z30. The Z30 is a mirrorless camera that is designed for entry-level photographers who are looking for a compact and affordable camera that still provides high-quality imaging capabilities. The camera features a 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor that provides exceptional image quality and low light performance. The Z30 has a compact and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry around, while its simple controls make it easy to use even for beginners. The camera features a 3-inch tilting touchscreen display that allows for easy composition and review of images, as well as a built-in electronic viewfinder for shooting in bright conditions. The Z30 also includes a variety of features that are specifically designed for video recording, including 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, Full HD 1080p video recording at up to 60 frames per second, and a built-in microphone for capturing clear audio. Number 4. Sony ZV-1F. It is a compact camera designed specifically for vloggers and content creators, and it has been receiving positive reviews since its release. The camera's compact size makes it easy to carry around, while its high-quality imaging and audio capabilities make it a great tool for producing professional-looking content. It has a customizable control ring on the lens, a product showcase mode that quickly and smoothly focuses on objects being brought up to the camera, and a one-touch background defocus button that blurs the background for a professional look. In terms of usability and versatility, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a USB-C port for fast charging and data transfer. the camera's customizable control ring on the lens, and one-touch background defocus button also make it easy to customize the camera to the user's needs. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV. It is a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera that has advanced features and capabilities for professional-level photography and videography. A 33-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality with high levels of detail and dynamic range. The camera also features Sony's advanced autofocus system, which includes 759 phase detection autofocus points covering 94% of the image area and real-time IAF for both humans and animals. It is also capable of shooting high-quality video, with the ability to capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and Full HD video at up to 120 frames per second. It also features Sony's S-Log3 and HLG picture profiles, which provide increased dynamic range and more flexibility in post-production. In addition to its advanced imaging capabilities, it has a range of features that enhance its usability and versatility. These include a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and dual SD card slots for expanded storage and backup. The camera is also weather-sealed and durable, making it suitable for use in a range of environments and conditions. The Alpha 7 includes Sony's Pixel Shift multi-shooting technology, which captures 4 separate images and combines them into a single high-resolution image with increased detail and color accuracy. The camera also features a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that compensates for camera shake and provides up to 5.5 stops of stabilization. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix S5. It is a full-frame mirrorless camera that features a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and is designed to handle both photo and video tasks. This sensor is complemented by the Venus Engine image processor, which helps to achieve a wide dynamic range and high sensitivity for low-light shooting. The camera boasts a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that compensates for camera shake up to 5 stops, which helps to achieve sharper images and smoother videos. It can record 4K video up to 60 frames per second. The camera has an electronic viewfinder and a touchscreen LCD for easy navigation and preview of images and videos. It also has dual SD card slots for increased storage capacity and offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for remote control and sharing of images. The camera has a USB Type-C port with power delivery support for easy charging and offers 14-bit raw image capture for greater flexibility in post-processing. The Lumix S5 is a compact and lightweight camera that is designed for easy handling and portability, making it a great option for photographers and videographers who want a portable and high-performing camera. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Mark II is a 24-megapixels full-frame camera aimed at enthusiast photographers and video shooters. It may look identical to its predecessor on the outside, but it gains useful new features for stills and video while providing a refined shooting experience. It captures oversampled 4K 60 frames per second video using the entire width of its sensor, no more crop. The Mark II also supports a ProRes RAW video workflow. This includes a 6K RAW video using the entire sensor width or a 3.7K RAW video using a Super 35 crop. The camera can simultaneously record full HD proxy files internally when using the external RAW workflow. The camera also includes a variety of aspect ratio markers, both horizontal and vertical, and a false color display that makes it easy to judge the exposure of a scene. It also has a mode you can activate to automatically pre-record and buffer video for 3 or 5 seconds, saving the clip from before you hit the record button. Finally, when shooting video, Mark II includes a new Detect-Only AF mode. When tracking a subject that disappears out of frame, this mode instructs the camera to leave focus where the subject left off, rather than hunting back and forth for new subjects. Quite apart from the specs and capabilities, the R6 Mark II is simply a very nice camera to use. It feels like a well-honed tool, refined by people who have spent a lot of time using cameras. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.